Don't prevent sneezing. A medical report involving a large number of doctors at a global hospital confirmed that anyone who tries to prevent sneezing can develop paralysis. The study, conducted on a 14-year-old female student, found that the cause of her paralysis was several times prevent sneezing. Doctors have warned of the seriousness of this situation, which some people are normal, but the dangers are difficult to limit. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and subscribe the channel.